We're back again.
We're back again in a beautiful day.
Yeah, such a blessing to have the weather that we're having.
Oh,
now.
it is.
Really
that means we can race longer, and I'm fine with that.
Fine with that too. What are we doing today, Race Car Mamsie?
Well,
we got two F-150s.
Yeah, two 50s.
And
yeah, two F-150.
Don't break them yet. So what we're doing today is we've got the F-150 versus the F-150. Yep. We've established that already.
Yep. 21, 22.
Yeah. So they're the same generation. Like everything's the same. They're both very new trucks as well. I think this one's got slightly more kilometers on it, but pretty much same trucks. Only big difference is that this is the PowerBoost, and this is just the normal 3.5 EcoBoost. Yeah. So they're both 3.5s. This one's got more power, but also more weight. And
this one has less power, less weight.
How much power are you putting down?
What is it? I
think it's 400 and 500.
400 and 500. No, you're right. I remember because I looked at it. So 400 and 500, and I don't remember the weight. I don't have.
So 400 horsepower, 500 foot-pounds of torque, and then you know what? The weight. All we know is that it's light. Like we'll get the specs and we'll put them up there because we know that obviously this is lighter than the PowerBoost because there's no batteries, there's no electric motor, et cetera, et cetera. What we do know about this one is it's 430 horsepower, 570 torque. The differentials in this guy, I think, is a 3.55. In this one, it's a 3.73. But the real question is who's going to win the race? Yeah. What do you think? I'm
going to go with the white one. Sorry, Zeb, I love you, and I really want this to win because I really do like this truck a lot.
It's a nice truck.
But I do think because of the power that it has, even though the weight, I still think it will.
You think the PowerBoost is going to take it, eh?
I'm going to say, I don't want it to. Like, I want this to win.
Yeah.
But it's the family feud. Because, like, both of these are my families.
That's right.
Yeah. But, yeah, I'll go with white. I'll go with the hybrid.
All right, sounds good.
I think so.
If we were to just do this without having any prior experience with these trucks, I'd go with that.
Yeah,
without a shadow of a doubt.
Me too,
Because of the fact that we've raced both of them in the past, not together, but in different races, I'm also gonna go with the PowerBoost as well. And I mean, who knows, maybe even those differentials could be the deciding factor. Like if we happen to find other trucks that have the same back end, like we'll bring those out here too.
Interesting. Yeah, no, it is an interesting race, even though they are the same truck. It's still really cool to see the different levels of what they make inside.
So you guys let us know, comment who you think is gonna win.
Let's go with the exhaust.
And we'll go to the exhaust and we'll go from there.
Trying to get these cameras to work. The wind, it's literally like feather light and they just go fly everywhere. And it's really hard to keep a line of tape perfectly not stick together with wind outside. Calm the wind. Is the gel too much on the top of your head that the hat doesn't sit down?
Yeah, something like that. I think this is meant for kids. And I'm just making it work, so yeah, there's that too.
Well, it's successfully looking stupid.
Well then,
mission accomplished.
All right, everybody, welcome back. We're just figuring out what modes to be in and all that kind of stuff. Actually, I don't know what the difference is between 4 auto and 4 high is. It put me in 4 auto. So yeah, you too?
Mine's 4 high. I don't have a 4 auto.
All right, well, I'll just keep mine in 4 auto. That's what sport mode put me in.
So in 4-wheel drive.
Okay.
We're gonna brake torque
to 2,500 RPM and try and get as good of a launch as we can. And also, what's that?
Traction off.
Traction control off, yeah. All right, folks, let's do this. So, 2,500 RPM.
2 F-150s in 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa, this adds some power. Look at how
look at it go. Here we go. There it's trailing off.
No way. This thing kept
This one's got it. No kidding.
155, 56. That did pretty good.
That was pretty good. Yeah, how was your launch? How'd everything go?
Right on. Like, it was perfect. Because I was kind of keeping an eye on you, and we both got off literally right on the perfect timing. And then it kept up, and then whatever gear it turned, yeah, it went. Do you want to open up your tonneau cover? And we'll try it with that and just say it's just to try and even it up or whatever. I don't know, like I'm just trying to think of every little thing because I know someone will say something about something.
Yeah. Can you rev it up even higher or no? You're okay?
I'm almost max at 2.5, but it can go higher, yeah.
Okay, so maybe just try whatever you can. I'll stay at the same.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, that's it's really interesting to me, to be honest with you, because like on paper, this thing is supposed to just knock the socks off of everything, and it's not.
How's it going? You ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Alrighty, so all settings the same. I'm gonna try and I'll stay at about 2,500 RPM. You rev it up as high as you can in 3, 2, 1, go. So she even got she got a good start there. So
But watch, I did jump the line a bit, but watch.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, so she got a better launch than me there. I left late, she left early. I'm not sure which one it was. Man, oh man, this is a fast truck.
Last time I did it, it was at 156. This time it was 154.
Boy, that's weird, eh? I wonder what happened there. Yeah, like it seemed like I even had an easier time passing you this time, despite the fact that you got a better launch than me.
100%. Like that's another thing I thought of too. I'm like, I got off, I think a little bit early, but even if I didn't, I got off before, and then I looked in my mirror, I'm like, watch this, and then all of a sudden you just went by me easily.
In the Zebinator's truck, big thanks to the owners for letting us use these vehicles.
Ooh, got so many like treats in here. Yes, please. Bring it on.
Alrighty, so no brake boosting this time. 2-wheel drive, traction control off in sport mode. Yeah? Alrighty. So let's see what happens this is weird not brake boosting.
No, I feel like I'm at a disadvantage. Oh, you have to.
I have to. But what if I just did a little bit to keep it going? I won't do it much. I'll just
do enough to keep it going.
I have an idea. No, I have an idea. Just go.
Willy-nilly.
Yeah. Well, that's what I was gonna say, because we already know that truck's faster, right?
Yep.
So let's see what would happen if these two lined up against each other with that not having
brake boost.
Engine going at the beginning.
Okay.
We'll just put our
foot down and go from there.
Deal.
All right, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so round number whatever. 2-wheel drive, traction off, sport mode in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, that gets off. Whoa!
Oh, she just kicked. She kicked.
That's crazy. Look at the top end of that truck.
Nope, you're not gonna slow me down. Nope. You're not gonna stunt me. Nope. 160 again.
Okay, so let's do a quick rolling race. You get to 50, I'll chase you, and I'll call it in at the cone.
Sport mode, 2-wheel drive?
Yeah. Yeah, sport mode, 2-wheel drive. Alrighty, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, she's really taking off to 50. She wants to race to 50. Oh yeah, you want to race to 50. All right, fine. I'll race you to 50. You want to race
to 50? Okay, I see how it is. I'll race to 50. All right, we'll do that.
Alrighty, so looking good. Looking good. We are approaching the cone. We're gonna put our foot down on go. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah!
That was perfect.
Yeah, it was good actually, yeah. Look at you go though!
Yeah. It just has that extra oomph.
That's crazy. Sorry, how fast did you get up to on that one?
164 at the line.
Yeah, that makes sense to be a little faster because it being a rolling start. I was at 161.
All right.
Alrighty.
So.
Thoughts?
I don't have thoughts because it's so scrambled. Like it's just bizarre to me. I really need to know the weight now.
We're super confused by that.
I think 0 to 100, that thing might take it because it does get off the line really nicely.
Yep, it
like
does.
it's aggressive.
It is very much so. That's not even felt with driving too.
Yeah. But then this thing just, and the same thing with the GM, it would come back in the top in the second half. Yeah. Yep. So, anyways, yeah. I mean, this is why we're out here.
Yeah.
That's exactly why we do this kind of stuff. So thank you for tuning in.
Thanks, guys.
Really appreciate you guys. God bless you all, and keep letting us know what you want to see, and we're gonna keep doing our best to make it happen.
Okie doke.
Alrighty, thanks guys. Yeah. Take care. See you later.